In a kingdom, there lived 6 friends: a rich man, a mathematician, a mechanic, a smith, a physician, and a painter. They set off to find their fortunes. Reaching a land full of rivers, they each planted a tree. We will follow one river each to its source and return here. If anyone's tree is withered, the others must find him, they decided. The rich man stopped to speak to an old couple down the way. They asked him to stay and marry their daughter. She was beautiful and the rich man married her. They lived content and happy. But one day, the king happened to see the wife and fell in love with her. He told his soldier to get rid of the rich man. They took him to a stream and buried him in a deep pit under the rocks. The friends returned to find the rich man's tree withered, so they set off to search for him. End of friendship. The friends reached the river but saw no sign of the rich man. The mathematician calculated and found where the man was buried. The smith broke the rocks with his tools and located his body. The physician's medicine revived him. The rich man told the story about the wicked king taking away his wife. The mechanic built a large wooden bird and the painter painted it beautifully. The bird was hollow and could be flown by someone sitting inside. The rich man got into the bird and flew to the palace. The colorful bird attracted attention and the wife came to the roof to see it. The rich man came out and rescued his wife, taking her back with him. But when his friends saw her, they all wished to marry her. They fought among themselves in a fit of jealousy, and so they all killed one another. The evil frogs. 2 evil, monstrous frogs lived in a marsh and blocked the flow of water into the fields of the kingdom. They would only allow the water to flow if a human being was sacrificed to them every year. Now, the king's son was to be sacrificed, but his best friend offered himself to the frogs. Luckily, near the marsh, they heard the frogs talking. "What fools they are," said the 2 frogs. "If they cut off our heads, the water will flow smoothly, and they will have gold and brass coins flowing out of their mouths whenever they wish." The prince understood their language and told his friend. Together, they slew the frogs. The water flowed into the fields and the 2 friends found they could pour out gold and brass coins as they wished. "If we return, they will think we are bewitched," said the prince. So they went along to seek their fortune. The wise minister. At an inn, a widow and her daughter robbed them. When they walked on, they got a cap that made a person invisible from some children. The prince gave it to his friend. Sometime later, they got a pair of boots that could take them wherever they wished. They arrived in a strange land where the people made the prince their king and married him to the princess. His friend became his minister. One day, the minister saw the queen entertaining a stranger who came to visit her in form of a beautiful bird. He told the king. The next time the bird came, they caught it and flung it in the fire. It was badly scorched, and after that it never came to meet the queen. The minister brought the widow and her daughter and punished them by turning them into donkeys till they learnt a lesson.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.